Hi guys, this is Bob, and I got a question on how to make an about box like this right here. And I just wanted to kind of walk you through this real quick. I'm not going to get into super deep into the details because I'm not an expert on this by any means. I'm not much of a designer. I've just kind of hacked my way through things. So anyway, so I'm going to show you what I did here. So first off, go to your back end of WordPress and go under the widgets tab under appearance, and that will get you to this page. And then what we're going to do is just create a new text widget, and then just drag that over, and I already have it here, so I'm just going to show you what I have up in here. I'm just going to break this up just so it's easier to see what's going on. Okay, and so basically all I have going on here, this is a little bit of HTML. Let me start with the simple stuff. What we have here is this is the text that we have showing. The goal with the site is to help you find your passion, make more money blogging about it, find out more here. And then we have turned here into a link to our about page. So this is the code, to turn that into a link. Okay, so that's simple enough. Then we also added the little image. I actually created an image with both of our pictures on it, and that's what we have going on here. And in a lot of the stuff you can do in CSS and add it into a CSS file, but I just put it all right here just to make it easier for those of you who don't want to go down that path. So basically we have a style, and then we just have a float right, because we want the image to appear on the right hand side and have the text kind of wrap around it. And then this margin, we just put a 5 pixel margin to the bottom and to the left of it just to add a little bit of space to the image. So basically that shows up right over here and then right over here, just so that the text doesn't run exactly into it. And and I'll just throw this out there. This is really not very pretty right now. I just kind of threw this together just so I could do this video and just show you by example. But you can do a lot of tweaks to this and just make it look as good as you want. So anyway, so this is what is getting the image to show up there. And we have the source equals, and this is just the actual location of the image. So an easy way to do this, to add this image, is just going to your media and then add new. And I'm going to go ahead and open this in a new tab. And then, once you're here, all you need to do is upload a file. So we're just going to go ahead and grab a file. Do I got any? Yeah, we'll just do Bob Home. Okay, and so then once we upload this file, right here is the location of the file. So we can just copy this and then use this back where we were, right here under the image source. And then now that we've uploaded that file, we can access that from our server. And then I just added a little bit of background color here, and so this is all here. And I'm gonna paste all this code below the post, or below the video in the post, so you guys can just grab it and play around with it. So this is a background color. So these are hex codes, so you can play with this and try to find a color that you like, or FFF is all white, and you can just Google hex codes. I think it's hex codes. Let me make sure. Yeah, hex color codes. So just Google that, and you can find the color you want. Let's see, and then I added a little bit of padding, and basically what this is doing is this space to the top and to the left of this text is done by this right here. And so for example, if that weren't there, I'll just show you what this looks like if that isn't there. So as you can see, it just takes all that space away all around here, and maybe that's what you're going for. And like I said, I haven't really nailed down what I'm going for yet with this, but anyway, if you add these back in, and how there are 4 different spaces here. It starts on the top. It goes clockwise. So this is top, this is right, this is bottom, and this is left. And once we add that back in, as you can see, it just adds that space on the top. Now I didn't put it on the right, and maybe I should, you know. So anyway, so that's that. I think that is everything. If you have any questions, just fire away in the comments, and I'll try to help you. All right, thanks.